Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to explore the various design tools and options which are available on canva.com. So let us move to the canva.com. So right now we are on the Canva platform. So here I'm going to show you the tools and different options which you can utilize for your designs. So you just come here and you can see here docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, websites, and more options. And you can see down it's like infographics, photo collage, desktop wallpaper, graph, book cover, mind map, magazine cover, Zoom virtual background, calendar. See, these are the options by using which you can design your requirement. And you can see here like design spotlight, visual documents, docs, presentations, and video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collage, print, business cards, cards, invitations, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. In marketing options, you are getting like logos, posters, flyer, brochures, social media, website, stickers, and when you go to the business options, you will get content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, plan schedule, solutions, marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, resources, business resources, case studies. In the same way, when you go to education, you will get this option. Yes, higher education case studies. When you go to plans and pricing, so these are the options by which you can create your design as per your requirement. Just go ahead, check these options one by one to get familiar with all these things. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.